In the daytime, I'm Marinette, just a normal girl with a normal life. But there's something about me that no one knows yet, 'cause I have a secret. Another day, I'm back in school. I think about him, he's so cool. He looks at me, I look away, but Josie see me anyway. He's got me spinning round, my feet off the ground. And when the sun goes down, that's when I become miraculous, simply the best, until the best when things go wrong. Miraculous, the luckiest, the power of love always so strong.
I am the cat, just chilling out, but in the night she's all I think about. I feel so strong when she's around. She picks me up when I am down. Oh no, you'll never know. My love can only grow. And when I see her smile, that's when she becomes
Miraculous, simply the best, until the best when things go wrong. Miraculous, the luckiest, the power of love always so strong. Miraculous, simply the best, until the best when things go wrong. Miraculous, the luckiest, the power of love always so strong. I show the world that I am strong, but all I want is to belong. I have the gift to put away whatever's wrong and say